next club from Bridgwater always do really, really well with their model making, and as you can see coming down the road on their front of their cart.
Yeah, their models are usually made by Bill and Rick Richards, who also design their cart, and they always have a magnificent way of portraying the theme that they're depicting. Those models absolutely marvellous once again. I was told last night that the club needed about another month to finish their entry, but looking by it tonight, it all looks pretty good to me, all working,
Absolutely.
all finished. I'm sure the club's very proud of their entry this year. It's a Griffens Carnival Club with their entry Rainforest. There's Mr. Mike Creswell up there on the JCB, turning the wheels.